And who knows, maybe Sony will even nick Tom Holland and put him in their Sony Spider-Man universe, but that's very far-fetched.
You serious?
I've criticised Sony quite a bit on my channel because, I mean, they are a bit of a stupid company. You know, they're very greedy, but I never thought that they would actually do something this outlandish. Jesus Christ, Sony will have nothing left but dust and blood once the fans literally burn down their offices. Honestly, please boycott Sony. Do not see their films in the cinemas. I don't care how interested you are in them. Do not buy them on DVD, Blu-ray, 4K, anything. Illegally stream them. I am totally against that. I do not do that for any film. But with Sony, with the greedy little buggers they are, and how they're cancelling MCU Spider-Man and putting Tom Holland into the Venomverse, presumably, they do not deserve any money whatsoever. And I feel, and if this isn't fake news, I feel sorry for Tom Holland, you know, and like what's gonna happen with, you know, like they can't use any of those characters anymore. It's fucking stupid. Oh my fucking god. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. I've literally just got back from my flight, quickly scroll through Reddit, see if anything interesting has happened. Haven't even unpacked yet. And I see this. I really hope it's fake news. Like, it's gotta be, right? Like, it's so outlandish, it can't be real. It can't be real. Like, so from the looks of things, Venom really wasn't a film, which is why it was bad. It was an experiment. It was an experiment to see if it would do well financially, so Sony can, as I suggested, jokingly, in a video over a year ago, nick Tom Holland. Fucking unbelievable. Boycott Sony. Load the gun and then shoot it, bang bang. It's okay because I'm British, I'm not American. It's a fake gun. Yeah. Where's the gun? Where is my gun? I'm about to use my Minecraft pickaxe, dude. Oh yeah, I'll use my Minecraft pickaxe. This is all going in.